Say Cheese posted and said Charleston White and Soulja Boy got into a little altercation. What I be telling y'all, like, Charleston White, he the type of guy that want to win. You know what I'm saying? What you need 10 niggas to talk to Charleston White for? That ain't no type of conversation. Like, come on now, that's some, you need 10 niggas just to talk to a handicapped guy? You know what I'm saying? Because he is, like, handicapped, you know. He got the one eye and all that there, so we got to say that. Like, come on, man, you a young nigga. All that shit you be talking. So, of course, he gonna pepper spray. That's all he got. He probably ain't had that fire. If he had that gun, he probably would have started backing down y'all. So, yeah, like, you got to be real careful with that. You never know what type of weapon that Charleston White got on him because he trying to win. Y'all be trying to play tough. That's why you came 10 deep just to talk to a man. I ain't no talking like that. Come on now. Now, I can see if it's like gang on gang type shit. You know what I'm saying? But nah, man, come on, man. What you was trying to do, Soulja, is intimidate him. That's what you was trying to do. Come on now, Soulja. Like he said, you ain't never been known for checking no man. You ain't. Yeah, that little shooting that you got, that's a home invasion. That don't really count. Nah, that's a self-defense. But he did come off on you disrespectful on to say cheese joint. He did, but it was a lot of truth to that. It was like 95%. Come on now, Soulja. We don't look at you like no stump down type nigga. Come on now, you know that. You came in the game, so you can never, unless you really go on a killing spree, you can never convince us. You ain't got the image, you ain't got the look, none of that there. So I know you can pay guys and you can be 10 deep. Like, come on, man, them niggas ain't gonna die for you. They may kill because you'll pay them, but they ain't trying to die for you. Come on now, stop it, man. Now they saying there's a video coming, and if y'all running, hey, he may y'all. If y'all ain't swing, why y'all ain't fight back? Don't y'all go to prison and jail? Y'all used to get mates and shit, so there shouldn't be nothing. Yeah, oh yeah. So yeah, it better not be showing that he the aggressor and y'all not. After he start macing y'all. If all y'all was doing is talking, he ain't had no right to mace y'all. Unless you start threatening Charleston. Yeah, what you was saying to Charleston. What you was saying to him. You would beat his ass? Yeah, that's what you was saying. Yeah, that's what you was saying. Because ain't no way you would need 10 guys for an old man, an older man. Come on now. You gotta understand, Charleston ain't gonna back down, especially from you. Ain't nobody in the world scared of you, Soulja. Like, nigga ain't gonna back down. He done been tested plenty of times. He ain't gonna back down. You gonna have to beat him or kill him. That's what you gonna have to do. It just, that's what it is. It don't matter his size. It don't matter what he say. That's the truth. There's a lot of men like that. There's a lot of men that's gonna stand on 10. And that's what he gonna do. He show it over and over and over. Now, did Charleston put himself in a dangerous situation? Of course he did. Shit, yeah, he did. He know all the shit that he talk. And going to a Rolling Loud where everybody who you talk shit about gonna be down there. So he looking forward to an altercation. He got to know that. So he just showing y'all he may got one eye, but he got big balls, a big heart. It's a big heart in that little body. And that's something you can't take away from Charleston. You can't take that away from him. So yeah, like, so it ain't gonna matter what he look like on the video. He won. He won. It don't matter. It's 10 of y'all. He an older guy. Y'all young niggas. Come on now. So, you know, Charleston win again. He defeat the internet again. It is what it is. When the video drop, might touch back on it. Depends on what it's showing. You know, go.